Well, it was me and Robert. We went to the same high school together, and the last half of our sophomore year, we wanted to play a talent show. So we got one of our other buddies, Cyrano, who recorded and stayed with us for our first two albums, and we played a little show and wrote two songs. And then it just kept going from there, and we kept writing and performing and, doing it because we really enjoyed it. We haven't ever really thought about stopping. I'm Hayden. I'm a member of the Farm Animals. I play guitar and sing co-lead vocals. I'm multi-talented.